WireMock Runner is the feature of WireMock Cloud that enables you to run your simulated APIs anywhere you need them. So on your laptop, in CI/CD, in your private cloud, or in your cluster. It's the component that enables hybrid deployment of WireMock Cloud, keeping your data, the UI, the control plane all in the cloud, while running the simulations themselves wherever it makes most sense. The runner enables recording of traffic for APIs that are non-public, so this is a key capability for microservice and SOA teams who usually have their services running privately behind the company firewall. It's driven by a version control friendly file-based configuration format, so it plays well with GitOps and configuration as code type workflows. If you're familiar with WireMock Standalone, then you'll notice a lot of similarities with WireMock Runner, but WireMock Runner goes a lot further. It supports Open API validation, the gRPC and GraphQL protocol support from WireMock Cloud. It integrates tightly with cloud in terms of how you move your data around, how you can collaborate with other users within cloud and then pull your data into Runner. And it also supports running many APIs inside of a single process. So this means that you can simulate entire environments very efficiently within a single container. I'm going to quickly demonstrate the runner by pulling some APIs down into my local project, showing how this populates the file system, and then running them locally on my laptop from my terminal and demonstrating that I can receive stub responses from those APIs. So first of all, as we can see, we've got a completely empty project to start off with. And in WireMock Cloud, I have two APIs ready to go that have some content in them. So I want to pull these down into my project and then I want to run them locally. So I'm going to start by pulling them down. So these are the two IDs of the APIs I want to pull. So that's pulled successfully. So now if I go back into the editor, we can see that this .wiremock directory has been created to contain all of the configuration. It has this wiremock.yaml file, which contains a list of services that defines port numbers, names, where the content is, all of that kind of thing. And within each of these subfolders, we have the actual content. So we have stubs and open API definition. I could check this content into source control if I wanted. I could do further automation using the CLI in CI/CD, but this time we're just going to run this locally and check that we can serve some stubs. So I'm going to type wiremock run, and this should start up and give me some information about what's running. So we have a list of all the services that are running and the port number that they're running on. So I should now be able to go and make some requests. So port 8081 was the simulated GitHub API. So I can make a request to it and I get a response. And then likewise, I can go to port 8080, which is the simulated PayPal API, and make a request. And I also get a response back from there as well. And as we can see, my quality usage has been updated. And now I can press enter to stop the runner. So this is one way of running the runner, which is from the CLI. I can also use the Docker image for the runner if I want to deploy into Kubernetes or a cluster manager of some kind. And it will take this same set of files, the same file system that I pulled down, and use that as its configuration.